Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we'll explore 7 of the worst food combinations you may not be aware of. As we all know, taste preferences can vary widely among individuals, but when it comes to food combinations, certain pairings are generally considered less than ideal. These combinations can have negative effects on digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall health. So, join us as we uncover these culinary pitfalls and learn how to make healthier choices for your well-being. Let's dive in. First and foremost, combining fruit with meals is considered one of the worst food combinations you may not know about. Fruits contain natural sugars, particularly fructose, which digest quickly. When consumed alongside meals that are rich in proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, which take longer to digest, the fruits can end up sitting in the stomach for an extended period. This can lead to fermentation, bloating, and discomfort. Different types of foods require different environments and enzymes for optimal digestion. Mixing fruits with meals can interfere with the digestive process, slowing down overall digestion and potentially causing food to sit in the stomach longer than necessary. Consuming fruits with meals may hinder the absorption of certain nutrients. For example, fruits high in vitamin C, like oranges or strawberries, can inhibit the absorption of iron from plant-based sources like spinach or beans when eaten together. Fruits are generally acidic. While the stomach environment needs to be acidic for protein digestion, consuming fruits with meals can disrupt the pH balance in the stomach, making it less conducive to protein breakdown. When fruits are consumed with meals, especially those high in carbohydrates, it can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This can be particularly problematic for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. The fermentation of fruits in the gut, especially when combined with other foods, can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria and lead to gastrointestinal issues like gas, bloating, and discomfort. Did you know combining high-protein foods with starches is considered one of the worst food combinations? High-protein foods, such as meats, eggs, and dairy products, require an acidic environment in the stomach for efficient digestion, facilitated by enzymes like pepsin. On the other hand, starches like bread, rice, and potatoes require an alkaline environment for digestion, with enzymes like amylase. When these two types of foods are consumed together, they create conflicting pH conditions, potentially leading to inefficient digestion and discomfort. Proteins and starches have different rates of digestion. Proteins take longer to break down in the stomach, while starches are primarily digested in the small intestine. When consumed together, the body may struggle to process both efficiently, leading to a prolonged feeling of fullness and sluggish digestion. The combination of proteins and starches can produce fermentation in the digestive tract, particularly in the colon. This fermentation process can result in the production of gas, leading to bloating, flatulence, and discomfort. Consuming high-protein foods with starches may interfere with the absorption of certain nutrients. For example, phytic acid found in grains can bind to minerals like zinc, iron, and calcium, inhibiting their absorption. This can potentially lead to deficiencies over time if the combination is consumed regularly. Starches are broken down into glucose, leading to an increase in blood sugar levels. Meanwhile, proteins have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. Consuming high-protein foods with starches can lead to rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar, which may contribute to cravings, energy fluctuations, and insulin resistance over time. What's more, combining milk with citrus fruits is often regarded as one of the worst food combinations due to the potential digestive issues it can cause. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are acidic in nature. When acidic citrus juice mixes with milk, it can cause the milk to curdle. This curdling occurs due to the denaturation of milk proteins, particularly casein, in the acidic environment. The curdled milk can be difficult to digest and may lead to discomfort or gastrointestinal upset. Consuming curdled milk can result in digestive discomfort, including bloating, gas, and cramping. The body may struggle to break down the curdled protein, leading to prolonged digestion and discomfort. Curdled milk may interfere with the absorption of nutrients in the digestive tract. When milk curdles, it forms clumps that may encapsulate other nutrients in the stomach, hindering their absorption into the bloodstream. This can result in reduced nutrient bioavailability and potential deficiencies over time. While curdled milk is not necessarily harmful, consuming it regularly as a result of mixing it with citrus fruits may lead to chronic digestive issues or discomfort. Individuals with lactose intolerance or dairy allergies may experience more severe symptoms when consuming curdled milk. The curdled mixture of milk and citrus juice can have an unpleasant taste and texture, making it unappetizing to consume. This can detract from the overall enjoyment of the meal or snack and may discourage individuals from consuming nutrient-rich dairy products. Instead of combining milk with citrus fruits, consider alternative options for enjoying both dairy and fruits separately. For example, enjoy milk with non-acidic fruits like berries or bananas, and consume citrus fruits as a standalone snack or in dishes that do not involve dairy products. Additionally, combining yogurt with fruits, while seemingly healthy, can be one of the worst food combinations due to several reasons. Yogurt contains probiotics and enzymes that aid in digestion. However, when combined with fruits, particularly those high in natural sugars like bananas or mangoes, it can lead to digestive discomfort. The quick-digesting fruits may ferment in the gut when mixed with yogurt, causing bloating, gas, and discomfort. Yogurt and fruits digest at different rates. Yogurt, being a dairy product, takes longer to digest, while fruits digest quickly. When consumed together, the fruits may pass through the digestive system faster than the yogurt, leading to improper digestion and potential fermentation in the gut. Yogurt contains beneficial probiotics that support gut health. However, when combined with fruits, especially those high in natural sugars, it can provide excess food for harmful bacteria in the gut, potentially offsetting the balance of gut flora and leading to digestive issues. Some fruits, such as citrus fruits like oranges or pineapples, are acidic in nature. When combined with yogurt, which is slightly acidic itself, it can further increase the acidity in the stomach, potentially causing acid reflux or irritation in individuals prone to digestive issues. The combination of yogurt and fruits may interfere with the absorption of certain nutrients. For example, fruits high in vitamin C can inhibit the absorption of calcium from yogurt, reducing its effectiveness in supporting bone health. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Now let's talk about combining beans and cheese. Beans contain complex carbohydrates and fiber, which can be difficult for some individuals to digest, leading to gas, bloating, and discomfort. Cheese, particularly high-fat varieties, can further slow down digestion and exacerbate these digestive issues when consumed alongside beans. Both beans and cheese are rich sources of protein and fat. Consuming them together can overload the digestive system, especially if you're sensitive to high-fat or high-protein foods. This can lead to feelings of heaviness, sluggishness, and discomfort after eating. Combining beans, which are notorious for causing flatulence in some people due to their high fiber content, with cheese, which can be difficult to digest for some individuals, can increase the likelihood of indigestion, gas, and bloating. While both beans and cheese provide valuable nutrients, they can create an imbalance of macronutrients when consumed together. This imbalance may lead to cravings for more carbohydrates or fats to compensate, potentially contributing to overeating or unhealthy food choices. Some components in beans, such as phytic acid, can inhibit the absorption of certain minerals like calcium and zinc. Consuming cheese alongside beans may further exacerbate this issue, as cheese is a good source of calcium. Pairing them together may reduce the absorption of these essential nutrients. Have you ever tried to combine fish and milk? We suggest not doing it since it's also bad for several reasons. Fish and milk have different digestion times and require different enzymes for digestion. Combining them can lead to digestive discomfort, including bloating, gas, and indigestion. Some people may experience nausea or stomach upset after consuming this combination. Milk is slightly acidic, while fish is alkaline. Mixing these two contrasting pH levels can interfere with the body's natural digestive processes, potentially leading to poor digestion and discomfort. Some types of fish, particularly those high in acid content, can cause milk to curdle. This curdling occurs due to the reaction between the fish's acids and the proteins in the milk. The resulting curdled mixture can be unappetizing and may contribute to digestive issues. Consuming fish and milk together may interfere with the absorption of certain nutrients. For example, calcium from milk may bind with proteins in fish, reducing its availability for absorption in the body. This can affect bone health and overall nutrient balance. When fish and milk are consumed together, there is a potential risk of food poisoning. Fish is a common source of bacteria and pathogens, such as Salmonella and Vibrio, which can multiply rapidly in the presence of milk. This increases the risk of foodborne illness. In some cultures, combining fish and milk is avoided due to traditional beliefs or dietary restrictions. For example, in some Asian cultures, it is believed that consuming fish and milk together can lead to skin problems or digestive issues. Lastly, tomatoes with starches, such as pasta, bread, or potatoes are also considered one of the worst food combinations. Tomatoes are naturally acidic due to their high content of citric and malic acids. When combined with starchy foods, which require an alkaline environment for digestion, the acidity of tomatoes can interfere with the digestive process, potentially causing discomfort or indigestion. Starchy foods like pasta, bread, or potatoes require specific enzymes for digestion. When consumed with acidic foods like tomatoes, these enzymes may become less effective, leading to incomplete digestion and potential digestive issues. The combination of acidic tomatoes with starches may lead to gastric discomfort, including bloating, gas, and heartburn. This discomfort can be particularly pronounced in individuals who are prone to acid reflux or gastrointestinal sensitivities. Tomatoes contain natural sugars that can ferment in the stomach when combined with starches. This fermentation process can produce gas and cause bloating, leading to feelings of discomfort and distension. The acidity of tomatoes may interfere with the absorption of certain nutrients from starchy foods. For example, the absorption of minerals like iron or calcium may be reduced when consumed alongside acidic foods, potentially impacting overall nutrient balance. Starchy foods can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels when consumed alone. When combined with tomatoes, which also contain sugars, this effect may be amplified, leading to spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels that can contribute to feelings of fatigue and hunger. And there you have it, folks. It's important to be mindful of the food combinations we consume to support optimal digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall well-being. While some combinations may seem harmless or even tasty, they can have negative effects on our health. By avoiding the worst food combinations discussed in this video and making smarter choices about how we pair our foods, we can promote better digestion, prevent discomfort, and support our bodies in functioning at their best. Remember, small changes in our dietary habits can lead to significant improvements in our health over time. So, next time you're planning your meals, keep these food combinations in mind and make choices that nourish and support your body. See you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.